Imagine stepping into a garden that thrives on simplicity, tradition, and a deep connection with nature. Welcome to Amish gardening, where the soil is rich, the produce is bountiful, and the methods are timeless. But what makes these gardens so remarkably successful? In a world where modern gardening often relies on technology and chemicals, the Amish way stands out for its emphasis on soil health, hand tending, and quality over quantity. Let's explore the secrets behind their garden success and discover how their traditional methods can inspire a more sustainable and fruitful approach to gardening. Soil health, the foundation of success. Soil health is the unsung hero of Amish gardening. It's the secret ingredient that makes their gardens thrive year after year. So what makes their soil so special? Their gardeners understand that soil is a living, breathing ecosystem. They nurture it with natural amendments like compost, manure, and cover crops. These methods promote soil biota, increase organic matter, and support beneficial microorganisms that break down complexes in a garden that thrives without relying on chemical pesticides or fertilizers. Amish gardens demonstrate that personal care and attention to detail can be powerful tools in maintaining a healthy and productive garden. This approach benefits the environment and promotes a sense of connection to the land and a deeper appreciation for the natural world. Their focus on hand tending and personal care allows them to maintain a balanced ecosystem, where pests are managed without disrupting the natural balance. This approach is a valuable lesson for modern gardeners, highlighting the importance of observation, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of the garden ecosystem. Hand tending equals fewer pests, the benefits of personal care. They take personal care and attention to detail are essential components of pest management. Hand tending allows gardeners to inspect their crops regularly, identifying potential problems before they escalate. In this way, they not only reduce pest populations, but also promote healthy plant growth. Regular inspections enable them to remove weeds, debris, and infested plants, preventing pests from spreading. This method also helps gardeners understand the life cycles of pests and develop targeted strategies for control. Unlike modern gardening methods that rely heavily on chemical pesticides, they only use natural methods to control pests. Companion planting, where certain plants are grown together to deter pests, is a common practice. Physical barriers such as row covers also protect crops from insects and other pests. The benefits of hand tending extend beyond pest control. Regular inspections allow gardeners to monitor soil health, identify nutrient deficiencies, and adjust their care strategies accordingly. This holistic approach promotes a deep understanding of the garden ecosystem and enables gardeners to make informed decisions. The result is a garden that thrives without relying on chemical pesticides or fertilizers. It demonstrates that personal care and attention to detail can be a powerful tool in maintaining a healthy and productive garden. In this way, you not only benefit the environment, but also promote a sense of connection to the land and a deeper appreciation for the natural world. Focus on quality versus quantity, a different approach. In their gardens, quality takes precedence over quantity. This approach is reflected in every aspect of their gardening practices, from seed selection to harvesting. They prioritize growing a diverse range of crops, each chosen for its unique characteristics and uses. This focus on quality results in produce that is not only delicious, but also nutritious and resilient. The emphasis on quality is evident in the way they handle their crops. They carefully tend to each plant, ensuring that it receives the right amount of sunlight, water, and nutrients. This attention to detail pays off in the form of exceptional flavor, texture, and aroma. Their produce is often described as having a depth of flavor that is hard to find in commercially grown crops. The benefits of focusing on quality extend beyond the garden. They understand that the quality of their produce has a direct impact on the health and well-being of their families and communities. They take pride in knowing that their crops are free from chemicals and other contaminants, and that they are providing their loved ones with the best possible nutrition. In contrast to modern industrial farming, which often prioritizes quantity and efficiency, Amish gardens are a living example of the value of slowing down and focusing on quality. This approach requires patience, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of the natural world. They have spent years honing their skills and developing a keen sense of observation, allowing them to identify the optimal moment to plant, harvest, and preserve their crops. This focus on quality is a key factor in their success and a valuable lesson for modern gardeners looking to create a more sustainable and resilient food system. Beyond the basics, other keys to Amish gardening success. Beyond the core principles of soil health, simplicity, and quality, several other factors contribute to their remarkable success. These elements, woven together, create a robust and resilient gardening system that thrives in harmony with nature. They favor traditional tools and techniques that have been refined over generations. These methods, often passed down through family lines, promote a deep understanding of the land and its rhythms. Simple, non-mechanized tools allow gardeners to work in tandem with the natural world, minimizing disruption to the soil and ecosystem. The Amish community's strong emphasis on cooperation and mutual support plays a significant role in the success of their gardens. Neighbors often work together on larger projects, sharing knowledge, skills, and resources. This collective approach fosters a sense of community and promotes a culture of sharing and collaboration. They view their gardens as integrated systems where each element works in harmony to create a balanced and thriving ecosystem. This holistic approach considers the intricate relationships between soil, plants, animals, and people. Gardeners strive to maintain a delicate balance, ensuring that their practices promote the health and well-being of both the garden and the community. Their method of gardening is deeply rooted in a culture of stewardship and responsibility. Gardeners understand that their actions have consequences, not just for their own families, but for the land and future generations. This sense of responsibility promotes a long-term perspective, encouraging gardeners to adopt practices that prioritize sustainability and environmental stewardship. The combination of these factors creates a unique and powerful approach to gardening. These gardens are not just productive, they are also sustainable, resilient, and deeply connected to the natural world. This offers valuable lessons for modern gardeners, highlighting the importance of community, cooperation, and a holistic understanding of the garden ecosystem. Simplicity equals consistency, the power of traditional methods. For this community, simplicity is not just a virtue, it's a strategy. Traditional methods passed down through generations form the backbone of their gardening practices. These time-tested techniques ensure consistency year after year and are a key factor in the success of their rich gardens. One of the primary advantages of traditional methods is their reliance on natural cycles and rhythms. As you know, they work in harmony with nature rather than trying to control it. They plant, harvest, and tend to their gardens according to the seasons, allowing the natural world to dictate the pace. This method not only reduces the need for external inputs, but also fosters a deep understanding of the intricate relationships within the ecosystem. The use of simple, non-mechanized tools is another hallmark of Amish gardening. These tools, often handmade or locally sourced, are designed to work in tandem with the natural environment. They allow gardeners to tend to their crops with precision and care, without disrupting the soil or ecosystem. On the other side, they also promote a sense of connection to the land, as gardeners develop a tactile understanding of the soil and its needs. Consistency is also a key benefit of traditional methods. They also have to follow established routines and practices, which ensure that their gardens remain healthy and productive over time. This consistency is not just about repetition, it's about creating a sense of continuity and stability. By sticking to tried and true methods, one can predict and prepare for the challenges that come with each season. The result is a garden that thrives, not just despite its simplicity, but because of it. These gardens show that success is not just about achieving high yields or using the latest technology. It's about creating a balanced and sustainable ecosystem that benefits both people and the planet. So, what have we learned today? Amish gardens outperform modern ones in several key ways. By prioritizing soil health through natural amendments and crop rotation, they create fertile ground that yields bountiful harvests. Their focus on community-driven practices and local food systems also fosters a sense of connection and cooperation. To apply these principles, modern gardeners can adopt sustainable methods like composting, polyculture, and seed saving. Using these time-tested techniques, gardeners can create thriving, resilient gardens that produce high-quality crops while promoting environmental stewardship. The lessons that can be learned from their gardens make clear that their ways offer a valuable alternative to modern industrial farming methods. By adopting some of these principles, gardeners can create thriving, resilient gardens that benefit both people and the planet. Their ways are not just about growing crops. It's about building a sustainable food system, fostering community, and promoting a deep appreciation for the natural world. It's clear that their wisdom has much to offer, and they can inspire a new generation of gardeners to cultivate a more sustainable and fulfilling relationship with the land. The Amish gardening model offers a compelling alternative to resource-intensive modern farming. By leveraging natural processes, minimizing waste, and prioritizing quality, we achieve impressive yields while maintaining ecological balance. This approach makes more blending of tradition with innovation to create resilient and productive gardens. Well, that's all for today. If you found this impressive, hit that like button and feel free to share your thoughts on the matter in the comments below. See you next time.